Hey everyone, welcome back today. I will guide you through the process of setting up a V2Ray connection using the HTTP Custom app. This setup will give you more control over your browsing experience and help you stay safer online. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store and search for HTTP Custom download and install the app on your device. Step 2. Create a V2Ray account. Open your browser and search for UDP Custom. Go to the official website. Tap the menu button and select V2Ray servers. Then choose Free V2Ray servers. Enter a username, complete the verification, and tap Create V2Ray server. Your server details will be generated. Copy the V2Ray configuration details provided. Step 3. Open the HTTP Custom app. Enable the V2Ray feature by checking the box next to it. Tap the settings icon at the top and select V2Ray settings. Tap the paste option in the upper corner to add the account details you copied earlier. If needed, you can adjust the host field or other settings to match your server details. Step 4. Once everything is set, return to the main screen of the app and tap Connect. The app will establish a secure connection using V2Ray through HTTP Custom. That's it, you are now connected and ready to browse with more privacy and protection. If you found this tutorial useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.